Hi, and welcome to this tutorial about Relevance3 web app. We are going to talk about sources, how to manage them, and how to add new ones. Let's open Relevance3 web app, and as usual, we're going to see the Relevance Cloud for category business. By now, you must have wondered, how does the app get the information for displaying the clouds? Well, every category is made of RSS feeds. Let's see how to manage them. Every category has an indication underneath of how many RSS feeds are contained within. In the case of business, we have 21 RSS feeds. So let's click and we are taken to a screen where we can manage the sources. This screen has two areas, one where we can select the sources and another one where we see the currently selected sources. Here we can see the RSS feeds that make the category business. We can play around with this table. We can order by site, order by activity, or we can collapse all the items, reorder them, and expand them. So let's see which of the selected RSS feeds didn't have any activity for the past week. I'm going to order them by activity, and I found these two RSS feeds which didn't have any activity for the past week. I will simply click on the recycle bin next to them and they are gone. But in order to apply my changes, I have to press on the orange button. Now a new Relevance Cloud has been displayed. But actually I'm not satisfied with the result I got. So I'm going back to tweak one or two more things. Let's order by activity again and try to eliminate as many as low activity items as possible. I will simply click on them, then go on the menu item and say remove selected. Actually, as a matter of fact, if I think about it, I would like to keep only those with high and medium activity. So I will click on them to select, then go on the menu and say remove non-selected. This will keep only the selection. Now I can safely click the apply changes button, and I got the Relevance Cloud that I wanted. Now let's try to make an RSS feed selection from scratch, something like our own category. Let's go to the table and clear it by clicking this button. Now we have the sources area where we can filter by site the sources that we want. So let's try to search for Huffington Post and then click on the search for sources, and here we are, all the sources that are in the system from Huffington Post. So let's take these latest news ones, and again the latest news ones, and again the latest news ones. Once I'm done, I simply click outside the box and ta-da, they are added to the selected sources. Now I can click the apply changes button and I have a new Relevance Cloud. But what if we didn't find the RSS feed that we are looking for? Well, there is a way to add it to the system for analysis. Have you ever noticed the big plus orange button? Let's click it and see what happens. Aha! A dialog for adding a new source. Let's look for an RSS feed. For instance, Google News RSS feed. We simply copy and paste the URL and we press the OK orange button. The RSS feed has been added and we are good to go. Our RSS has been added to the system and is now ready to display the results. So let's see this in action. First, we should clear the currently selected sources and search for our newly added RSS feed. So we see we have Google News, we select it here and then we press the apply changes button. And here we are, we have a new Relevance Cloud. Well, that's about it for today. Thank you again for watching. Enjoy and see you next time.